It's been such a delightful day at art class today. Our artist, known as Gardner, has just finished this beautiful watercolor from one of her trips. This is Michael's Gate in Slovakia, and she and her husband traveled and enjoyed seeing the world, and this is her interpretation, and beautifully done. One of the finishing aspects today was to lighten this area through here so that her people were a little bit more distinctive. She chose not to have them be so much in the dark. This has a little crinkle on it. She did not want to have them that dark, so this is where an artist takes license in the painting to achieve goals for of their own choosing. And so she's made these two angles so that the people then are coming into the center to Michael's Gate. And one of the issues, there are always aspects of a painting that we work through. And so she has made the steeple a little bit lighter than actually it is as it shows in the picture, because she has a blue sky behind it, and she wanted the steeple, of course, to show up a bit. So she still has the suggestion of the turquoise aspect. Here's another picture as well where it has aged. So very successful as a painting, and my congratulations to her. Bye now.